Good morning to all. I welcome you to the next session of tenses. So in this session, I will explain you what is the past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. So past continuous tense indicates an action which was going on, at some point of time in the past. At some point of time in the past. Is it clear? So the difference between present continuous and past continuous. Its definition. Present continuous going on action at present. So it is a present continuous. Past continuous means what is it? Going on action in the past or going on action at some point of time in the past. At some point of time in the past. So present ప్రస్తుతం జరుగుతున్న పనులను తెలియజేయడానికి present continuous ఉపయోగిస్తారు. గతంలో జరుగుతున్న పనులను తెలియజేయడానికి ఏ టెన్స్ ఉపయోగిస్తారు? Past continuous tense ఉపయోగిస్తారు. How can you say the action was going on in the past? Yes. So by this time yesterday you are doing some action. That action will be written in which tense? Past continuous tense. By this time last year you might doing something. You might be doing something. You write that action in past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. So the structure of past continuous tense is subject plus was or verb plus V4 plus object. In any continuous tense, V4 is common. Present continuous V4, past continuous V4, present perfect continuous V4. In continuous tense, you have to use what is that V4. Subject and object is common. In past continuous tense, V forms are what? Was and verb. Was that a verb? And here, was is used for what is it? First person singular. What is the first person singular? Only one, that is I. And third person plurals. Third person singular, sorry. Was is used for what is it? First person singular and third person singulars. Third person singulars. Were used for remaining all. Except first person singular and except the third person singulars, you can use were for all. Like first person plural, second person singular and plural, third person plural. You can use what is that? Were. And come here the examples. You dance chart with your friends by this time yesterday. When there is only yesterday without having by this time, that is simple past. That is a simple past without having a by this time. When there is only yesterday, that is called simple past. When there is a by this time and a simple past end, that is called what is that? Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Here it is a past continuous tense. You have to remember structure and the waveforms uses. The structure you know that was there verb plus V4 plus object, and was is used for first person singular and third person singular. It is you have to make a two questions for the subject. One is the which person, and the second one is the singular or plural. It is you is the second person singular or plural. So what is the V form here? Verb. And verb should be V4. So what is that? Charting. Here you are chatting with your friends by this time yesterday. By this time yesterday you are chatting with your friends. నేను ఇదే సమయానికి నువ్వు ఏం చేస్తున్నావు అంటే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో చాట్ చేస్తూ ఇట్స్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్ యాక్షన్ at some point of time in the past. Some point of time in the past. Here. And the next one, he does go to Agra by this time last year. By this time last year, only last year simple past, but there is a by this time, so that it is called by this time last year is past continuous tense. So he is which person? Third person singulars. How can you say? In place of he, there is no I, there is no we, there is no you. So third person singulars are what? Except I, we, you, any singular is called third person singular. It is a singular, so the third person singular. So was before going. Okay, he was going to Agra by this time last year. Next one, I dance teach parts of speech by this time last month. Here I is the first one singular, so that was teaching. Yes. By this time last month we are discussing what is that? Parts of speech. Parts of speech. And next one, boys dance share the chocolates among them at 4 p.m. yesterday. Here it is the hint of simple past continuous tense. Here yesterday is only simple past, and there is a time like this at 4 p.m. yesterday, that is past continuous tense. boys, third person plural, so that were sharing. Boys were sharing the chocolates among them at 4 p.m. yesterday. How can you make it interrogative? Just there is a B form, need not to get B form out of the structure. So boys were not sharing. Boys were not sharing the chocolates among them at 4 p.m. yesterday. Among them or among themselves. Interrogative, just place the be form before the subject. What is that? Were boys. Were boys sharing? Okay, this is here. To make negative, you have to use the negative form along with the be form. Can be placed between what is the subject and the main verb. And here also interrogative, place the be form before the subject. This is boys were not sharing. Here was boys were boys sharing the chocolates among them at 4 p.m. yesterday. This is the question. And the hints are simple. Past continuous is same. By this time yesterday, by this time yesterday, by this time last year, by this time what is that, last month or last week. Here at 9 a.m. or at 10 p.m. or at 10 a.m. a day before yesterday or yesterday or last week. So these are the hints of past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. I am repeating once again. Past continuous tense indicates an action which was going on at some point of time in the past. In the past, the structure of past continuous is subject plus, was or verb plus, will for plus object. Okay. So thank you. We will meet in the next session.